Good morning. An estimated 4.4 million Americans will qualify for Medicare in 2024. Understanding options and the timing for open enrollment is the best way to know you'll receive the benefits you need. Joining us now is Gary Culp, the Chief Growth Officer for Cigna Healthcare Medicare. Thanks for being here, Gary.
Thanks, Jillian. It's great to be here today.
First, to start off, when is the Medicare annual enrollment period?
The annual enrollment period for Medicare is October 15th through December 7th. So it's upon us right now, and it's such an important time for Medicare beneficiaries to pause and take a look at what they're currently on and make decisions for their upcoming year for the January 1st effective date for 2024.
Sure. And what are the different types of plans that Medicare beneficiaries need to consider?
Jillian, Medicare beneficiaries can stay on original Medicare. They can actually add additional benefits by opting to purchase a Medicare supplement plan to cover some of the things that original Medicare doesn't offer. But many Americans, in fact, about 51% of the over 30 million Americans that are on Medicare have actually opted for a Medicare Advantage plan. And there's several reasons why. They're opting for it because many of the Medicare Advantage plans offer additional benefits like transportation, vision, dental, hearing, fitness even, and at no additional premium.
Sure, and so I would assume those are the ways this type of Medicare differs from original Medicare?
It is. And so think for a moment, if you have ambulatory issues or maybe you had a health incident where it's difficult to get around, having transportation to be able to take you to and from your doctor's appointment would be really important. And then for many, aging Americans, dental is a really important benefit. And plans like Cigna's Medicare Advantage plans offer a dental program to be able to help with preventative as well as, routine care and coverage around dental services. And then for active and healthy folks that want to continue to stay active and healthy, there's fitness programs that are included where you can go to the gym and actually have programs that are specifically designed for an aging population to be able to stay healthy and well as well.
Sure, and you say that Magic Johnson has actually been helping Cigna Healthcare get the word out to Medicare rookies. Tell us about that.
Sure. So, many of us know Magic Johnson for his amazing career as an athlete in basketball. And certainly that is, a claim to fame for him for sure. But what a lot of people don't know is that Mr. Johnson is actually an entrepreneur, but spends a lot of time in terms of the community and developing programs to help in terms of getting access to care, healthcare related things. And so Cigna has been partnered with Magic Johnson and his team for quite some time now. And what's really kind of exciting is that Mr. Johnson is actually aging into Medicare in about a year or so. And so he's right now making some of the decisions around his Medicare options that will be available for him when he becomes Medicare eligible. And so he considers himself a rookie, which I think is kind of, funny because, all of us know him as such a pro. And when it comes to Medicare, many of us are rookies. I mean, we have to take a time to really understand what is best for us, and why not work with, pros, if you will, to help in terms of doing that. So Magic Johnson has actually helped us in terms of getting the word out in the community with his local contacts and community leaders to really, spread the word around how to look at Medicare, what options people should be considering, and consider things like a Medicare Advantage plan, for example, where about 51% of the Medicare beneficiaries have elected today.
Sure, and very quickly, where can people go to learn more?
Sure. A couple different sources. So there's Medicare.gov. That's the Medicare website. It has information to be able to compare plans locally. And then Cigna also has a website of information, which is Cigna MedicareInformation.com. We also have a toll-free number where individuals can help talk over the phone about options that exist, which are 877-349-2897.
All right, thanks so much for your time today, Gary. And one more time, you can visit CignaMedicareInformation.com or call 877-349-2897. For Connecticut's Morning Buzz, I'm Jillian Andrews.